Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while. I haven't been uploading. I've just been so busy. Got too many projects going on, so planning on doing a bunch of videos, but just don't really have the time to upload them or edit. So I thought I'd just make a little quick video and show you what I've been up to in my off time around 10:30 at night. This is a deck off of a 50-inch Toro time cutter. It's a stamped deck. I bought this thing from the customer a while back. I basically had an issue with a starter solenoid, and of course there was a hole in the deck from years prior where he hit a root, busted a spindle, and the whole shaft and blade actually came through that part of the deck and split it up like a Coke can. So I bought this thing for 200 bucks. I've been using it around my house, just cutting my own grass. Never bothered to really fix the hole, but yeah, so I had nothing better to do, and now it's 10:30 and I'm actually welding this deck. And I thought I'd make a little video and show you how to actually fix it, if you can weld it the easiest way. So this was the part that it got split open from the blade where it came through. So what you do is, if you don't want to be spending the money on actually going and buying a piece of sheet metal and then trying to shape it and form it, and yeah, just wasting all your time, what you do is you go to your nearest outdoor equipment store, especially one that sells zero turns and mowers and whatnot, and you go to the service department and you ask them, hey, you guys have any decks that you've replaced and you're throwing away? And I'm sure they do. And guess what? You can have that for free, because that's going to a scrap pile and they're not getting anything for it. They're just giving it away to the scrap man when he comes in. So if you go to one of these places, ask for a used deck that they replaced, and then when you get the other deck, cut your piece out and go to the new deck that you got. Find a good usable spot and just lay it over to where you get the curve and everything that you want. Get your little Sharpie, outline it, cut it, and then pop it into place and weld it. Don't judge my welds, because I'm trying to get this thing done. So but yeah, this is how you fix it, and you can see you got the shape and everything matching perfect. So this is how you save your deck pretty much for free. So I thought I'd share this with you guys, and hopefully it'll help somebody out there. But yeah, stay tuned for the other videos of the other projects that I got coming to the channel. Like I said, sorry I haven't been uploading, and just been crazy busy. But I'll be seeing you soon with new videos, so stay safe and be blessed.